Welcome to D for DevOps. In the previous video we learned about the planning lifecycle in DevOps. If you haven't watched it, the link will be shared in the description. In this video we will learn in detail about the next step in DevOps lifecycle, which is code development. So let's jump into it. Once the planning stage is complete, the development team can begin writing code. This includes implementing new features, fixing bugs, and writing unit tests. Code development is the core of the DevOps process. It is where the actual software is written and implemented. This stage also includes testing of the code, debugging and refactoring the code. It includes the implementation of the software and testing to ensure that it is working as expected. This stage includes several key activities which we will cover one by one. 1. Writing code. The development team writes the code that will make up the software, using integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Visual Studio, Eclipse, and Xcode. The code is written following the best practices, coding standards and the project requirements. 2. Testing the code. Once the code has been written, it is important to test it to ensure that it is functioning as expected. This includes writing unit tests, integration tests and functional tests. The code is tested at different levels to ensure that it is working as expected and to catch any bugs early in the development process. 3. Debugging. If any bugs are found during testing, the development team will work to debug the code and fix any issues that are found. This includes identifying the root cause of the problem and implementing a solution. 4. Refactoring. As the code is developed, the development team may find that certain sections of the code could be improved for better maintainability, readability or performance. Refactoring the code helps to improve the quality of the code and make it more maintainable. 5. Committing code to the repository. As the code is developed, it is committed to a code repository, such as Git. This allows the development team to collaborate on the code and track changes. 6. Code review. Before committing the code to the repository, it is important to review the code to ensure that it meets the project's coding standards and requirements. This is done by other team members, and it is a key step to ensure the code quality. 7. Continuous integration. With continuous integration, the code is automatically built, tested, and packaged as soon as it is committed to the code repository. This helps to catch errors early in the development process, and ensure that the code is stable and ready for deployment. There are many tools that are commonly used for code development. Some of the most popular include 1. Integrated development environments, IDEs. These are software programs that provide a comprehensive environment for developing and debugging code. They typically include features such as code editing, debugging, and project management. Examples include Visual Studio, Eclipse, and Xcode. 2. Text editors. These are simple programs that are used for editing code. Text editors do not typically include debugging or project management tools, but they are lightweight and can be customized to suit the developer's needs. Examples include Sublime Text, Atom, and Notepad++. 3. Source Control Management, SCM Tools. These are tools that are used to manage and track changes to code over time. SCM tools allow developers to collaborate on code, roll back to previous versions, and maintain a history of changes. Examples include Git, Mercurial, and Subversion. 4. Build automation tools. These are tools that automate the process of building and deploying code. Build automation tools can save developers a lot of time by automating repetitive tasks, such as compiling, testing, and packaging code. Examples include Maven, Gradle, and Ant. 5. Debugging tools. These are tools that are used to identify and fix errors in code. Debugging tools allow developers to step through code, inspect variables, and set breakpoints to help identify the cause of errors. Examples include GDB Debugger, LLDB, and Visual Studio's built-in debugger. 6. Test automation tools. These are tools that are used to automate the process of testing code. Test automation tools can save developers a lot of time by automating repetitive testing tasks and making it easy to test code under different conditions. Examples include JUnit, TestNG, and Selenium. 7. Code review tools. These are tools that allow developers to review and discuss code changes with their team. Code review tools help to ensure that code is of high quality and follows established coding standards. Examples include Gerrit, Fabricator, and GitHub pull requests. These are some of the popular tools that are used in the code development phase of DevOps Lifecycle. Depending on the requirements of the organization and the size of the team, different tools may be more appropriate. In the next video we will learn about the next step in DevOps Lifecycle, that is version control. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.